This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming basics but move straight to action. Plug the Xbox into Ethernet, then reboot modem and router. This clears transient blocks. Once done, check Xbox network settings to record the assigned IP, gateway, and DNS. Make sure UPnP is enabled on the router. If not, you'll change router settings next. You're doing this because Xbox Live requires stable ports and NAT. Establishing a wired link and capturing current addresses prevents mistakes when assigning a static IP. Now assign a static IP so port rules stick. Reserve the Xbox's MAC in your router's DHCP or enter a manual IP on the console using the recorded gateway and DNS. Once fixed, forward Xbox Live ports listed earlier to that IP. This ensures incoming game traffic reaches your Xbox. If port forwarding is confusing, enable UPnP to automate port management. But if UPnP is unreliable, place the static IP in the router DMZ for testing only. These steps correct NAT-related disconnects. Finish by power cycling every device. Modem first, wait full reconnect, then router, then the Xbox. This applies new rules. Test Xbox network. You should see NAT type open and successful Xbox Live sign-in. If you still get disconnected, clear the Xbox's alternate MAC address and reboot the console, because cached MAC entries can block connectivity. If problems continue, test using a mobile hotspot to isolate your ISP or router. That single troubleshooting check quickly tells you whether home network settings are the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.